The 2018 Benjamin L. Cardin Public Service Award is presented to Sharon Krevor-Weisbaum, class of 1987. In addition to her role as managing partner of Brown, Goldstein & Levy, Sharon is a tenacious advocate for people with disabilities and their families who face barriers in education, high-stakes testing, employment, housing, and in accessing state and federal services. In addition, she represents parents with disabilities in child protection proceedings and other family law matters. She is also a kind and gentle advocate for seniors and their families. Sharon takes great pride in her role as managing partner while continuing her active practice on behalf of a varied client base. She is especially hopeful that her role will serve as a signal to young women attorneys that they can attain leadership positions in their respective firms if that is their goal. Sharon's career in disability law began in 1988 with her first assignment as a young lawyer in the Maryland office of the Attorney General under the guidance of Maryland Carey Law adjunct professor Jack Schwartz. Her work in providing guidance on issues involving the right to refuse treatment brought together many of the legal, ethical, and social issues she cared deeply about. As a first-year lawyer, Sharon explored issues that at the time were not yet fully developed in the law. 30 years and countless cases later, one of the highlights of Sharon's career has been representing parents with disabilities facing challenges to their ability to care for their children. Through her work with the National Federation of the Blind, Sharon has been able to protect the rights of blind parents fighting to maintain custody of their children. Sharon also represents college and university students with disabilities in cases involving the Americans with Disabilities Act to ensure they have equal access to their curriculum and other university services. Her work with others at Brown, Goldstein, and Levy has resulted in settlement agreements focused on ensuring changes in university culture surrounding curriculum accessibility. Her passion extends to representing students in K-12 settings and advising nonprofit entities that provide community-based services for individuals with disabilities. Sharon has served as a member of the Task Force on the Quality of Services for Individuals with Developmental Disabilities at the Maryland Department of Health, served on the Elder and Disability Rights section of the Maryland State Bar Association, has long been active with the Public Justice Center, and has participated in high-profile symposiums to discuss and advocate for the rights of parents with disabilities and the rights of students with disabilities of all ages to participate on an equal basis with their non-disabled peers. The University of Maryland Francis King Carey School of Law is proud to name Sharon Krevor-Weisbaum the recipient of the 2018 Benjamin L. Cardin Public Service Award.